So welcome to another session of Everyday Mathematics. Here at Everyday Mathematics, as we always say, we do enjoy solving the harder problems, but above all, we also see and appreciate the beauty in the simpler problems. So today's problem comes from the MI 2024 Integration Bee Quarterfinals number 4. And problem number 1 is a problem of focus, which is the indefinite integral of e to the power 2x over 1 minus e to the power x all to the power 2024. So this is a very interesting problem. Before I jump into the solution of this problem, I'd like to thank our subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. We do appreciate your support. Thank you for continuing supporting us. We don't take that support for granted. For our first-time visitors here at Everyday Mathematics, what we do is we go about and run and look at interesting problems like what we have today here, and we try to solve it, and then we come back to you with a solution that we think befits the problem. To our repeating visitors who haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd like to encourage you to consider subscribing to our channel. So this problem is interesting. For me, what I usually do is I look at the most complicated expression, and then I try and substitute for that. So I'll say let u be equal to 1 minus e to the power x, such that du dx is equals to negative e to the power x, such that du is equals to e to the power x dx. And so what is minus e to the power x in terms of u? It's the same as 1 minus u negative. And so we divide both sides by negative 1 minus u. And so negative du over 1 minus u can be substituted for dx. And so pulling out our problem, and we say, okay, the integral of e to the power 2x over 1 minus e to the power x to the power 2024 is the same as 1 minus e to the power u, which is e to the power x. Then we square that to make it e to the power 2x. And then in the denominator, we say let u be equal to 1 minus the power x. So we say now the denominator is u to the power 2024. Now, in place of dx, we say negative du over 1 minus u would be substituted for that. And so 1 minus u here in the denominator, 1 minus that cancels with the 1 square here. So we are left with negative 1 minus u over u to the power 2024. Now that's our integration. We can now use the sign, multiply the sign across. So we have u minus 1 over u to the power 2024. And we divide u to the power 2024 across. So we have 1 over u to the power 2023 minus 1 over 2000 u to the power 2024. So these are easily integratable polynomials. So we now have the integration of 1 minus u to the power 2023 is the same as negative 1 over 2022 u to the power 2022. And then the integration of negative 1 over u to the power 2024 is the same as plus 1 over 2023 u to the power 2023 plus the integration constant. Now, since we say that let u be equal to 1 minus e to the power x, we're just going to plug 1 minus e to the power 2x in place of u where u appears. So the integral of e to the power 2x over 1 minus e to the power x to the power 2024 is negative 1 over 2022 times 1 minus e to the power x to the power 2022 plus 1 over 2023 times 1 minus e to the power x to the power 2023 plus the integration constant. Now we can, bring the positive out first and then follow with the negative component and then followed by the integration constant. So what was provided in the answers is 1 over 2023 times 1 minus e to the power 2023 minus 1 over 2022 times 1 minus e to the power x to the power 2022 plus the integration constant. And so this is the answer for this seemingly integrate problem. It is actually easy to solve it. Thank you so much for those of us who followed through. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave a comment on the comment section. If you do have a variation on how this problem could be solved, please We would love to hear from you and would love to share your version of the solution with the rest of our audience. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you again for following us. Until next time, à tout à l'heure, à la prochaine fois, et adios.